Hello and welcome to this video on Google Keep. Google Keep is Google's free note-taking and reminder app. It is available for both Android and iPhone. If you search Keep in your app store and click on the icon to download Keep. If you have a Gmail account, it's actually free to sign in through that. So if you navigate to keep.google.com in a browser, you should see something like the window on the right. The window on the left is actually my phone, so I'll show you how to add a few notes now. First note I want to show you is adding a checklist. So clicking on the bottom left box with a tick in it will create a new checklist. So here I'm just going to give it a quick title, say shopping, and then add items in underneath. So bread and let's see, ham and maybe butter added to the list. So there's 3 items now added to that list. So if I wanted to pin that list or even set myself a reminder, there's icons up the top right. So up here, the bell icon, I'm just going to click on that and have myself reminded maybe tomorrow morning at 8. In the list, I can either check things off the list and they'll become checked down the bottom, or even uncheck things from the bottom and they'll move back up the top. So that's the checklist. Next is a voice memo. So that will take over your microphone on your phone. So if you click on the voice icon down the bottom, and I can create a quick voice note. And there's the voice note added. I'll give that a title of test, just test voice note. And it'll also create the audio recording and transcribe my audio that I've just said aloud to. So go back, and that'll show you the 2 new voice notes, or rather notes, in my Google Keep account. Another method of adding notes is through using the camera. And so if I click on, or rather tap on the image, the square box, what looks like a few mountains in the icon, so down the bottom, tap on that. And because I want to take a photo, I don't have an image stored on this, so I'll take photo. And I have a book here prepared, so I'll just hover it over the book and take a picture. So now that's stored, I'll click on the correct or tick icon up the top right to save it and give it a title. Book, being quite literal with my titles here. And so there are 3 new notes in my Google Keep account. Now, you might have noticed as I was taking those notes that my web version was actually updating as I was taking those. So here are the 3 notes here as well. So here's the image, that voice note with the play button here that I can play that audio back, and my shopping list. So say if I wanted to pin this note is quite important to me, I can actually pin that up the top. That'll stay in my pinned notes. Another handy feature of using Google Keep is that you can actually take the text from an image. So if I click on these 3 dots here and click on grab image text, there is the text that is taken from that image. So that's really handy if you have a book that you want to convert to typed text. So if I tap back into this note or click back into the note, scroll down a little bit, I can actually select this text word for word and copy and paste it elsewhere. So that's a quick run through of the useful features of Google Keep.